students, earlier we have started human reproduction, the chapter number 3. Now, in this chapter, we have earlier completed the reproductive events. What events are taking place in this reproduction? That was briefly we have studied there, and now we will study in detail about each male and female reproductive system. Male reproductive system and female reproductive system are separately studied in this topic. So firstly we are here for the male reproductive system. First of all, you will have to remember each reproductive system involves two types of organs, that is called as also sex organs. So basically two types of sex organs are there: primary sex organs and secondary sex organs. Both the sex organs are, or primary, you can say on the other hand, primary reproductive bodies and secondary bodies. Sometimes there are tertiary organs also found. In case of primary reproductive body or sex organs, they are basically testis and ovary. Testis and ovary. These are basically considered as primary sex organs because they are involved in the formation of gametes. Testis will produce male gamete, that is sperm, and ovary will produce female gamete, that is ova. On the other hand, there are some organs and accessory structures with this testis and ovary. They will be here to support these both primary organs, and the proper reproductive activity will be done in the human beings, that is the secondary sex organs. On the other hand, you can also have a type of sex organ that is called as tertiary. These are the structures which basically gives external identification points for the separate male and female body, such as sound, voice of the male and female are different. Mustaches and beards are found in the male only, not in the female, and so many other things. So this should also be kept in your mind, that which organ is primary, which organ is secondary, and which organ is tertiary here. Now we can move here for the male reproductive system. The male reproductive system is basically, in case of human we are discussing here, male reproductive system have primary sex organs, that is testis, we had already told you, testis, where it is found. Basically whole male reproductive system is present below the pelvic or pelvis region. Where they are present? They are present below the pelvis region. Pelvis region. Why they are present below the pelvis region? This is also called as extra abdominal testis. Well, we will see it further, but overall male reproductive system is present below the pelvis region, and this male reproductive system includes what structures? These includes, these are basically testis, accessory ducts and glands. Testis, accessory ducts and glands. There are testes, there are accessory ducts and glands, and there are also some external genitalia, simply external genitalia, not some, external genitalia. Which are usually involved in the physiology of reproduction in male body. So now we have known these things in brief. now we will study one by one about the topics, that is the testis. So we will study initially about the testis. But from here we will move to the next class. Now